Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing blogger.com versus Google Sites. So if you don't know what these two are, blogger.com is a free platform for writing and publishing blog posts, and it is ideal for personal or niche blogs. And Google Sites, on the other hand, is a drag and drop website builder for simple, multi-page sites, best for internal use, portfolios, or team projects. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with blogger post. Blog post blogger.com here. So the pros of blogger.com is that it is great for regular content or posts. It supports SEO and Google AdSense, and it is customizable with themes and gadgets. Now the cons of blogger.com is that it has a dated interface. As you can see, it's very kind of old, and it is limited for non-blog websites. So the only thing you can do basically on blogger.com is post blog posts. And let's head on over to googlesites.com here. So the pros of Google Sites is that it is very easy to use and no coding is needed. And it also integrates well with Google Workspace. And it has a clean and professional layout, as you can see. Now the cons of it is that it has limited design and has SEO options. And it is not ideal for blogging or public content growth. So which one is right for you? So you should use blogger.com if you want to publish blog content and grow an audience, and use Google Sites for simple static websites like team pages or school projects. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.